petition pertaining to the construction of Assam Human Rights Commission building. Some dues have not been paid. Can it be listed on next Friday, 11th? Some urgency is there. Deep level.
I should prepare for a listing of a matter for motion
When?
on Monday.
Okay.
Item 1 of daily list, motion.
Yeah, please, Lord. This matter has become infrastructure, Lord.
Mr.
A. Borua on behalf of PP Datta.
Parwa, then the council appearing on your. You are appearing for?
A.K. Ghosh on behalf of Mr. S. Datta. Yes, yes.
You that.
Obliged. Right.
2,
May I please, Lord?
Yes.
Well, this matter is relating to remission of revenue and
Remission.
well, remission.
Ah.
On the earlier opposition lordship, in another round of litigation, the matter was remanded back to the authorities. And subsequently, the authorities has passed this order, page 56.
Yes.
After, well, it's said, Fazul Haq, ex-lessee of Soja, has submitted a prayer on Soja for release, repay of an amount rupees so and so against yearly revenue of the said bill for the financial year so and so, releasing of fish finger in so and so bill, so and so. In his
Okay.
submitted,
Because it is instead of keeping earlier what had happened, it is a purely disputed fact, Lordship. How much fees they used to, how it is lost, Lordship. It cannot be ascertained by this court, Lordship,
By report.
by read court, Lordship.
that is their duty, Lordship. They could have.
Usually, Lordship, in other cases,
Conduct any
Lordship,
inquiry. That was not done without conducting any inquiry.
it is a
ascertain
civil
the-
court matter, Lordship, totally.
Yeah,
So-
approach the civil court.
No, Lordship, another part is there, Lordship, although the fishery ought to be handed over on the 1st April of 2017.
That part we can
Due
consider.
to litigation, Lordship, that they could not hand over. They hand over this fishery only on 1/11/2017.
Possession
This
part,
7
we can take it, but possession part, we can consider, Lordship, but not this, this is, how can you ascertain, Lordship? Lordship, usually, Lordship, your honorable court used to refer it to a civil court, Lordship.
Only about the position.
Only upon a position we can do. Not this, how much fees,
And-
how it is lost.
This is a definition. But so far as the position is
Yes, yes,
concerned,
yes,
we can have,
we are giving, Lordship.
we can have we can consider.
Yes, we can, after ascertaining, Lordship, we can give.
Yeah,
If
that is
if
admitted.
it is on
Lordship,
the
I have,
record-
I have annexed the order of
If it is
lease.
on the record that data position is something different, we'll definitely, we are giving one or lots of it.
Yeah, Their Lordship, they are not denying that they have handed over prior to 1/11.
Then that is not in the order, that we will consider, Lordship, as per record, Lordship. Lordship may dispose it of directing us to go for, take a decision regarding possession part, Lordship, which is on the record, and regarding this part, Lordship, only civil court is appropriate. for
What I am submitting, Lordship, can that petition can be disposed of with a direction to consider the that period, Lordship, period of 7 months.
Where was the first big petition?
My Lord, writ petition's order, that is page, Lordship, 53.
That was not, that was with regard to what?
Regarding remission, Lordship.
Huh?
Remission,
Remission.
Lordship.
But possession part, they have not approached
No,
it.
no, no, we have to mention that, but
In the order, it is not there.
Okay, we list it on Monday or you take instructions at
can it go Tuesday, Lordship?
Let us keep in contact.
8.
9. It will be also on 9. There's no point keeping.
No point on keeping lot. Your lordship, you are already all disputed.
Anyway, just the about the position part. That's all.
My lord.
3,
My lord, it's a admitted liabilities, my lords, to the tune of 4,95,700
Okay.
under the PHC division, my lord.
You are bidding for?
Mr. D Gogoi, PHE. On behalf of Mr. D Gogoi, PHE, Public Health Engineering. Respondents 1 to 7.
But Mr.
As so, my lord.
By way of this petition, the petitioner is claiming for payment of
4,95,000.
payment of outstanding payment amounting to rupees 4,95,700.
My lord.
Mr.
PR Sharma.
P.R. Sharma, appears on behalf of Mr.
D Gogoi,
D. Gogoi,
Standing.
standing counsel,
Public Health Engineering.
PhD, for the respondents,
1 to 7.
1 to 7. How about 8 and 9?
My lord, that final,
Final.
that year.
Chalia, will Mr. Chalia, then it's standing counsel, appears to the report. Okay.
The pendency shall not be barred, my lord.
My lord,
Yeah, part.
Obliged.
Jay, kindly the notice be only issued that observation of tendency.
That's what I'm,
We'll take cognizance, my lord, since it's an admitted fact, my lord, at page 41.
that's why I said pendency of this. You can take.
Obliged.
Obliged.
4, implement of party.
May I plead your lordship? It is an applications for implement. The matter relates to the settlement of 165, 166, 167, 168 Purana Tonai Shola Gorango Shokras Min Mahal Fishery. Lordship, what happened? Deputy Commissioner on 27/12/2024 invited bid of this fishery. But during the stipulated time of this NIT, the earlier lessee, the writ petitioner, has approached before the Honorable Court for paying for the extension of their lease period. And Honorable Court, by order dated 22/01/2025, directed the respondent authority to dispose of their representations in respect of extension of their lease period. And resultantly, by order dated 29/1/2025, respondent authority stayed the NIT dated 27/12/2024. Therefore, as a prospective bidder, I approached before the division bench. And during the pendency of the division bench, the fishery department informed the Honorable Court that the fishery department set aside withdraw the stay order 29/1/2025. And by order dated 17/2/2025, NIT was reopened and last date was 28/3/2025. And Lordship, so as a prospective bidder, I am the necessary party, or actually already NIT was opened, Lordship.
No, but the aspect is, I have a challenge with my rejection of extension matter and the subsequent NIT also. Last date of NIT was over,
28/3.
Now my learned friend has to appraise this code, whether anyone has been selected or not, and what is the status of the NIT. Depends.
Today, just I want to implement as a respondent number 8, Lordship, my pair.
The procedure is that the selection will take time, Lord. The deputy commissioner will forward it to us, Lord. That process, that means they have compiled it. I don't know, I have no instruction at present that whether they have forwarded our departments.
How about the
But even there is a order from division court, division bench, Lordship, regarding this matter to go for NIT, Lordship. So I think the matter is actually in fact, both of my friend will agree that it is an infectious matter because
Lordship,
the
today's
appellate
my
court has,
is only
the division bench has,
Only
he is also,
only because of that aspect, I
He also knows
requested him
that-
to submit the status of the NIT. man.
he also knows that NIT cannot be stated because division bench.
I have put to challenge the NIT, my lord. And today, if my learned friend says that, yes, someone has been selected, then it's a
No,
different
that,
scenario.
that selection is that lordship, it is being. If there is nothing remains lordship when division by
Your writ petition has become infructuous.
infractious.
Manoj, he has to appraise this court whether someone has been selected or not, madam.
That is,
Because I have put to challenge the NIT also.
but
Now,
that,
today, if my learned friend is implemented as a party respondent, your lordship may hear it next.
no,
week.
lordship, this is,
No,
this impeachment is also not necessary.
It also becomes unnecessary.
Unnecessary lordship. Futile exercise lordship. Because
You read the division bench order 5/3/2025.
I say he was also there, lordship.
It's a part of the IA. isn't it?
Yes, Lordship.
Yes, lordship. Lordship can dispose it of, lordship. I don't think lordship, it is an unnecessary thing to keep it. Yeah. He was also there.
But there's no, with all due respect, now there's no effective order from the division bench.
See, read it. Mr. Sharma was,
I was also.
it was on his submission
Yes, lordship.
that the IA was disposed of.
Dispose of, lordship. Lordship, even he also knows, we know that all clients of fishery used to, yeah, let it be disposed of, lordship.
At least let him apprise this court what has happened to the NIT. That is
Lordship,
all. That is my only limited prayer.
What has happened to the NIT does not concern in your writ petition.
Okay, okay, okay.
Hmm.
Lordship can dispose it also.
I'll dispose of as infructuous.
Okay. He has submitted lordship, all fishery.
Let us be fair to one another. In the writ petition,
He also knows better, lordship.
Mr. M.
P. Bharadwaj.
P. Bharadwaj, learned counsel for the city, submits the matter.
And from
Mr.
my
P.
side,
Sharma,
Ranga
learned
Baba,
counsel,
Monkey.
appears for the writ petition. The IA, if you have your purpose.
Please, myself.
My lord, kindly place the order as it has come from my learned friend.
Otherwise, his client will catch him. The
No,
matter,
let me-
lordship, he is praying that the matter is infraction should be from my side. Otherwise, his client will.
Then whether you agree that it has become infructuous.
get
That
that-
also
that-
I'll have to-
That is agreed, but let
I'm
it be from my
obliged.
side.
Let me do one thing.
I'm obliged. But
That order will start. Okay, yeah, there's no point. Why, Mr. MS Yudas, editing snake of it. Appears correspondent. 2, 3, 4. How about the second item?
both have similar methods. One extension, one NIT.
Same one.
Obliged.
6, admission.
Lordship, it's contextual. Bill is pending since. No
Lordship,
comment.
we are admitting the liability. Lordship may dispose of.
You are admitting the liability.
Yes.
Let us see your.
Lordship, we have filed the affidavit.
Oh, you find your.
Affidavit also.
Where's the?
Lordship, in page 41 of our affidavit. And 43 of. The affidavit, para 8.
Heard Mr.
J.M. Sulaiman.
J.M.
Sulaiman.
Sulaiman, that the also heard MS.
DG,
D. Jain, that the standing counsel,
Water Resource,
Water Resources Department, for the respondent.
Lordship,
1, 2,
1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8. So finance,
Finance.
Mr. Chalia, let us take out finance separate for the report of it. And MS Yudas, let us go. It's for the numbers. Nine. So, but where's your work order? Your work order.
What's the lordship? Page 18. 18 to 32.
The petitioner was issued a work order on 29/10/2012 for the scheme. Then it just I posted 850 page 6. Issued by the implementing engineer Haila Gandhi. The water resource circles.
Yes, your lordship.
Water circle,
Water.
comma Haila. Choose the work order for the scheme for an amount of rupees 1,78,790. Issued by the the petitioner completed the work and the first final bid was also issued, which was countersigned by the assistant executive engineer. What is this?
Karimganj.
Karimganj,
Water division.
WR division, Karimganj, correct?
Yes.
Total 4 work order, lordship.
Oh, 4 work orders.
4 work order.
Yes.
For you tell him. Yes, give him four orders are page 18,
18 to 32.
18,
To 32.
oh no. 22, 26, correct?
Yes.
Lordship. Correct.
And the final bill are dated are at page 20, 25, 29, and 30. Hmm. It's not dictated, huh? What is it? But no, it's the work of the third party, but- and final bill. But by another work order dated 26/11/2012, issued by the superintending engineer Haila WR Haila. The petitioner was given the work for B50 page 20, for an amount of rupees 65. Thereafter, the first and final bid was also countersigned by the assistant executive Karimganj WR. WR Division? No, Karimganj? What is,
Water resource. Karimganj Water Resource Division,
Water resource
W,
what is the division?
yes, yeah,
division.
division.
WR. Karim. Para. Another work order dated 26/11/2020 was also issued in February by the Superintendent of Hailagandi, WR, Hailagandi, for the work paid for an amount of rupees 135 for and first and final bill was also countersigned by the Assistant Executive Secretary. Karimganj,
Karimganj Water Resource Division.
what is
Karimganj.
the certificate? Karim? Para. Another work order. Dated, what is it? Date 5/1.
5/1, 2023.
5/1/2030 was also issued against MNR for an amount of rupees 27,900 issued by the Executive Water Authority. And first and final bid was also countersigned by the Assistant Executive Karimganj Water Resource Division. Para. However, despite issuance of the final bid, in respect of all the four, so the respondents are yet to pay the amount, are yet to pay the amount building. For it has paying for building of against the forward orders, totaling to an amount of rupees
3,88,722.
In total.
3,88,7. That you see that page. So, for the respondent number 4, the chief engineer water resources as by conference. And in paragraph 6, 7 and 8, it is stated that quote, page 41. So, considering the agreements made in para 6, 7, and 8 of the contract filed by the respondent, it appears that the amount of fees claimed by is an undisputed according to law. It's written. So, directing the which respondent,
Respondent number 4.
the respondent to pay the undisputed sum within a period of
6 months.
5 days.
Not sure actually.
3 months.
Make it 4 months. Okay, a period of 4 months. From the date of so, it's 20. So,
Obliged lordship.
7,
And this is also not payment of higher assessors below the vehicle, my lord, requisition by the Assam.
That-
Assessment.
My lord, we have filed the affidavit,
In
my lord.
para 6 months, they have admitted
We have admitted the amount of 23 lakhs 9,464.
my claim was 38 lakhs 68,285 against my lord 15 lakhs 58,821 has been paid, my lord.
Paid, my lord, earlier.
Now remaining is my lord 23 lakhs 9,464, my lord.
Have you stated
Para 6 months, page 54.
Page 54, para 6, it starts, my lord.
Okay, heard Mr. H. Waterful and account. Also heard MS Uda. And
For all the respondents.
additional senior officer. Appearing on behalf of all the response. But it is the case of that he is the owner of a vehicle. He is the owner of two vehicles.
Yes,
correct?
yes,
Two
ma'am.
vehicles. Namely, one Jeep bearing registration number AS01.
Yes, my lord. BD 8099.
AS809. And one Travera bearing a registration number of ML-10-61. The particular case is that the Commissioner of Police, Guwahati, oblique respondent number 3, hired the two vehicles, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Two vehicles of the petitioner from 19/7/2014 to
31/12/2022.
1/12/2022.
Yes, ma'am.
For what purpose?
And lawyer under duty, my lord.
For the purpose of law and order. Where is that?
My lord, para 5 of the affidavit, my lord, page 53, my lord. Last para 5, my lord. So and so belongs to the petitioner was hired for the purpose of maintenance of lawyer under duty, my lord.
For maintenance of law and order. In the.
Hmm?
So which para you're talking?
My lord,
My lord, para 5, my lord, of page 53, my lord, of the
all the
affidavit.
affidavit, my lord. 53.
For the purpose of law and order duty. Under the provisions of the Assam Requisition and Control of Vehicles Act. By way of the present, the petitioner is claiming for higher charge for the said vehicle.
Yes.
Amounting to rupees,
38 lakhs 68,285.
but where have you stated?
In synopsis, I have said it to tell my 38, 68, 285.
Don't tell him. The petitioner accordingly submitted the bill before you respond to the office of the motor transport police district one for payment of the hiring charge amounting to 38.68. So, some part payment was made.
Yes, madam.
50 lakhs, 50.
Is
58.
para 6 of the affidavit opposition, page 54, madam.
Thereafter, the respondent number 3, correct,
Yes, madam.
paid an amount of rupees 15,58,821.
Yes, madam.
However, there's still an outstanding due of rupees 23,
Yes,
09,
yes,
464.
yes.
As the said outstanding dues has not been paid. Yeah, 44 by The respondent number three has filed affidavit in upload. And in paragraph
6, my lord.
let's take the stick.
Yes, yes, 54.
Page 54 of the affidavit, my lord.
Can you make it start? Seven will do, I think.
But yes, malab last total malab 55, we have calculated the total amount 2309 464. That page 55, we have calculated the amount.
In the state affidavit. The respondent number 6 has admitted the outstanding bill amounting to 2309
But
at paragraph 6, 7, 6. Okay. But considering the above method paragraph 6 and 7. This specifically directing the response to pay the admitted outstanding fee of rupees 23,094 to the physician within a period of
4 months, malab, because March has just gone, malab. So 4 months, malab.
4 months from the date of the above.
Obliged.
8,
But this is, my lord, regarding non-payment of bills, my lord, against the, my lord, supply of stationery items, my lord, to the Assam Police, my lord, the Commissioner of
Even
Police.
if some
Yes, yes, we have filed our affidavit.
In, my lord, para, my, they have admitted, my lord,
which
Fourteen may
para,
para,
come to page 138 of our affidavit in opposition.
137 of our. 37 of our. It is a palm version.
And this is admitted amount is for the period of March 2020 up to June 2023.
Yes.
14 lakh.
14 lakh
74,000.
74,049 rupees.
Yes, ma'am.
Will dispose it,
Lordship.
but Mr. Portable also have it's fine.
Yes, sir, bro.
We are putting for all.
All the respondents.
As a borrow, then a dominant. Appearing on behalf of all. But it is the case of that the petitioner's firm is registered as a concept under Assam Police
Yes, ma'am.
for procurement of stores commonly required for official use and minor repairing of the construction of veggies less than this 5 cents. So, where's your work order?
Yes, ma'am. From my letter, page 15 to 54, my lord.
After no. Accordingly, the petitioner was issued work order. A supply order
Yes, ma'am.
was issued supply order on a different date
Yes, ma'am.
from 2/3/2020, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Up to
Up to my lord, I have a next my lord, up to my lord, April, my lord, 2023, my lord.
page 8. The,
Since it's a voluminous matter, daily wise matter, it's supply order has been issued matter.
up to the month of June.
Yes.
In their repetition, they
April, ma'am.
sought from March 2020 to April 23. But where at the time of filing affidavit, Lordship, we have included up to June 2023.
I'm thankful to them, my lord.
We'll just say June.
Yes, sir.
March 2022.
June. Totaling to an amount of 14,74,040. You have been paid any,
No, madam.
however, despite this, supplying all the required articles as demanded by the respondent, the petitioner has not been paid any amount in terms of the said supply. Being a petitioner is reported or praying for a direct to the respondent to release the outstanding amount of rupees 14,74,04.
Yes.
But the respondent number 4, the Deputy Commissioner of Police has filed counter. And in paragraph
9, madam. 137.
9, the demands made by the for rupees 14,74,09 or 049 has been admitted. But in view of the admission of the respondent number of in the affidavit, particularly at paragraph 9, this directing the respondent number
3, madam.
Respondent number.
3, Commissioner of Police. And this will be admission.
Actually, Lordship, we have sent a proposal for, to the sanctioning authority. Then Lordship,
3 of
Commissioner of Police, no, actually.
no, DCB admission. The supply order has been issued by the DCB admin, madam. Respondent of 4, madam. So his superior authority is Commissioner of Police, madam.
Actually, they should have made the Inspector General of Police a party.
okay, directing the respondent
Yes, madam.
to
Respondent.
pay the admitted amount of rupees 14,
If he is-
74,049 within a period of
4 months.
4 months from the date of
But direction may be issued to Commissioner of Police. Otherwise, madam, the file may be moving, madam, here and there, madam.
you cannot.
Lordship, may
pin
kindly
the-
record one
the
thing,
respond- so I'm saying the response.
Yes, obviously.
The respondents will be. equally
Yes,
liable.
yes.
Lordship may kindly record one thing that due to non-receipt of the sanction, we could not pay.
On top, has admitted the amount.
Hmm.
However, it is also stated that
Paragraph 8, we have stated page 136, Lordship.
however, it is stated that due to non-receipt of sanction and allotment of purpose against each proposal,
Lord.
the liabilities due to the could not be paid.
Obliged, Lordship.